Welcome back, guys, to another video. Welcome back. So today we're gonna be stepping back a bit from main stack, and we're gonna be focusing purely on Node.js. I hope you guys are pumped for focusing on Node.js and learning about Node.js. So this is like a beginner to intermediate tutorial series that I'll be making. So the roadmap that we have here is we're gonna be focusing firstly on the background of Node.js. So this is optional, sort of like what Node.js is, what V8 is, and then thereafter we're gonna be building an API with pure Node.js, no npm package, no yarn, nothing, just pure Node.js. And then thereafter we're gonna be looking at Express. Now we will definitely need some npm packages, and then we're gonna be looking at MVC, model view controllers, with Express. And thereafter, once we're done with all this four, we should be ready to build an API. So we're gonna build a YouTube API and also a Twitter API. And the bonus for you guys, we're gonna be building a CLI, which is a command line interface. So this is the roadmap that we'll be having for our Node.js tutorials series. So I hope you guys like it. If you guys are keen for this, smash that like button, subscribe, and so that you can get notified for the next videos that are to come. So I hope to see you guys